Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is probably going to be the last vlog for the year. So we'll be talking about New Year's resolution and updates and everything. We have Fake Lance, my concubine, and my mistress. Ashley's not home, and we have Ashley, my wife, and she's coming back to painting again, and she's bringing my mind today. Oh,
Man
yeah.
boobs. Man boobs.
Yes. If you guys haven't subscribed, like, and share, please do. Support the channel, support us. Leave down the comments if you have any question for one of us. I'm a retired Air Force, active duty Navy boy, and just an Ashley. So for New Year's resolution, I'm guessing I'll go first. I'm gonna buy the Fanatic Army painters that's going to be coming out next year. Supposed to be 3 times the pigment for it. I would love to have love to buy it. It's like 216 paints in a box, and buy a 15-inch. I think it was a supersonic printer, 15-inch SLA printer. And that's pretty much for my New Year's resolution, because if I say I'm going to work out and change eating habits, that's not going to happen. So I'm being more realistic. So those are 2 things I'm trying to get. Go, Joshy.
I'll let you go next. I'll go last.
Go, Ashley.
To get full body tracking for my VR.
Gotta speak louder, honey.
To get full body tracking for my VR.
Yeah. Full body tracking for your VR?
Yeah.
Okay. You, Joshy?
My New Year's resolution is going to be in Japan, because I'm going to be back in Japan.
Lucky ass moving back to Japan and everything.
I'm gonna visit him.
I'm gonna be taking advantage.
He's
of some of
supposed to
the
be
things
my.
I did
He's supposed to be
before.
my man whore. He's supposed to buy me a ticket to go visit him. I'll cook and clean everything for him.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, there will be more prints. Hopefully, in a few weeks to a month. I don't know yet. We got a resin going to a different shipment area that needs to be brought back, and we don't know how long that will take. I'm gonna buy more resin. We found a 3-liter Sunlu resin, $50 on Amazon. It's a lot cheaper than a lot of stuff you buy individually per liter. We will be doing gray orcs, mountain orcs, and other types of D&D miniatures for a bit. I'm gonna switch it to Warhammer like I do back and forth. And what is your plan, Ashley?
Miniature painting.
Yeah, miniature painting. You're gonna be painting.
Heisenberg. Then it's gonna be Claude and Sephiroth.
Yeah.
Then you gotta prep me more.
No, I gotta fix the Totoro and the other ones. And Kirby. That Kirby looks very sad.
That Kirby I could care less.
You say you're gonna fix it. That means you fix it. Then I print you more.
I need Nanami.
No, you don't.
Yes.
No. We need a butt plug for Joshy.
No.
Yeah. We're also gonna get another table here because there'll be 2 of us painting, so we'll need multiple additional camera I gotta install as well, so we both can paint and record at the same time on one PC. But other than that, we had a pretty good Christmas, I'm guessing, and you'll be leaving in a few days. I'll be alone for New Year's. I'm sad.
You have me.
What about you? I had you for 11 years.
You're mean.
What else I'm supposed to be doing? So yeah, your schedule's gonna be like different after February, because all the stuff has been scheduled till February. So February from now on will be all the newer content and stuff that me, Ashley, are gonna be doing. Josh might be in the background. I have no idea what the plan is, but the shorts are going to be new, coming forth tomorrow, due to the fact that we do like 1 or 2 shorts a day, and I put 1 video per schedule per shorts for it. But other than that, there's nothing for us. Hope you guys have a good upcoming New Year's, and see you guys next year. You guys want to add?
No.
No? Anything you want to add?
Have a great New Year's.
Yeah.
And
Okay. See you guys. Bye.